What's up, everyone? My name is Mark Plant, and this is MPV Vlogs.
Lights are red and there's sweat on your embrace. One other thing I dare.
Like I said, my name is Mark Plant, and this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in. I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. Really helps the channel out a bunch. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. If you hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button, you get a notification anytime I put up a new video. I'm going to be putting up a ton. I got a lot going on right now. But if you are a subscriber, I do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, because what I'm doing right now, I'm learning as I go. So, what I'm going to be doing tonight is, I've got the wall all framed. The one thing I forgot, oh actually I didn't forget, but I've got the sheetrock. That was very interesting bringing it home. I have a 5-foot bed in my truck that's 8 feet long. I know one thing, all the way home from the Home Depot, I didn't have anyone within 100 feet behind me because they thought it was coming out on them. But I got it home, no breaks in it. Beautiful. So I got the sheetrock. See, sheetrock. But the one thing I forgot to do is, because I'm going to lay it sideways, I got to put some braces in order to attach the sheetrock on the corners. So I've already got one here, so I got to go all the way across here. And then the other thing I'm going to do, I don't think I really need to, because this wall is solid, but I'm going to anchor it into the cement floor. So I went and got the masonry bit and the screws last night, so I'll do that once I get these, whatever you want to call them, supports. I guess so, support for the sheetrock. But anyway, let's go. I'm going to start doing that now.
Another dare.
Alright, so we got the cross braces all up. The sheetrock will be able to go into those. Looking at them, there's no weight on them. They're just put the sheetrock, something for the sheetrock to adhere to or to screw into. So what I need to do now, and this is the part I'm not looking forward to, I have to anchor this to the ground. So I went out last night, I bought a masonry bit at Lowe's. Where is it? Okay, so I'll pop this into the screwdriver. Let's drill some holes in the cement and see how well this works. Not too sure about this. Alright, I actually impressed myself. This wall's been up for a few days now. Kind of expected the wood to turn a little bit, or as I gotta adjust it to the climate here, but it is dead perfect. Imagine if I knew what I was doing, how good this would be. Wow. I impressed myself there. But, alright, let's anchor this into the ground. Hopefully I didn't just jinx myself by screwing it up when I anchor. So, let's see how this works.
Lights are on, it's time to your embrace.
Alright, let's see how this works. Alright, everyone. Alright, got the wall anchored now. Got my first piece of sheetrock up. Haven't secured it yet. I'm waiting for batteries to charge, so it's going to be a couple minutes on that, but making good progress on this. I'd love to have this done tonight. Maybe even get some mud and some taping. I would be happy with that, but I gotta wait about 20 minutes or so for my batteries to charge, and we'll go from there. Alright, I got half the wall up. Like I said, I've cut the other half. Now I gotta figure out how to get it up here. Oh, probably should have thought about that first. Well, we'll see. Yeah. Don't know how it's gonna work, but I will get it up there, and I'll show you once I get it. Alright, I got the wall up. It does not look too bad. I'm gonna tape and mud it. I gotta fill in over here first, though. And this is when my measuring skills come into play. Eesh. So I got a whole sheet of sheetrock for that one piece. I'm probably gonna need it. So let's measure and cut. Alright, everyone. I've got majority of the wall done. Just got this little pot over here that I still need to finish. I don't know why, but this section right here was all out of whack. So I had to fight with it to get it to line up, but it doesn't look too bad right now. Didn't get done as much as I wanted. I wanted to actually tape and mud the wall so that I could do a second coat tomorrow, but that's not gonna happen. Tired. It's late. It's way past my bedtime. I'm gonna be hurting at work tomorrow, but I got the most of the wall up. I don't think it looks too bad. Not really knowing what I'm doing. I don't think it's too bad. So I'm gonna end the video right here. Like I said, tomorrow I'll finish this little pot down here, go along here, get that done, and hopefully stop taping and mud it so I can stop priming it, because I have to bring my truck in for an inspection on Friday, so I'm going to be home with no vehicle. So I'd love to be able to paint, at least prime all the walls down here, sand them, get them looking nice. So that's my target. But anyway, that's going to be it for tonight. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up down on the bottom. If you're new to the channel, thank you for coming this far in this video. It's been a long one. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. It helps me to be able to do videos and all that stuff. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. You guys know I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Just make sure I hit the bell icon. That way you get a notification anytime I put up a new video. If you're using a mobile device, just make sure our notifications are allowed or you won't get the notification. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it, and I'll be back again tomorrow finishing up this little mess.